First of all, hello everyone again, friends. In this video, we're going to take your website, your Shopify website, completely on the users page. Will be our introduction. Actually, what is a users page? How to use it? There will be information such as what are the details. Let's come to the users page. As you can see from here, customers are written on the left side. Now your customers should be able to become a member from outside. They should even be able to view their order after signing up, because this is mostly preferred by customers. So he should check his order. Some sites, as you can see now, there is no area where any customer can log in and open their panel. So not having this area is a bad look for the customer. What will you do here? First of all, in order for customers to become a member on your Shopify site, we need to create the member registration section. How do we do that? From here, we come to the settings from Shopify. From the settings, go to the payment page. From the payment page, as you can see right now, customers can only order as guests, but you have to make it accountable. If you say accounts are necessary, they have to open an account. I don't recommend that. I don't recommend that either. The middle is always better. You can choose that. After selecting it, let's exit here again. Let's come to our customers page. Let's refresh our new website. It can be a little bit late. By the way, it also changes from theme to theme, so your icon may not be coming here. The shape of the theme may be different. I am not making a statement on that issue right now because, as I said, it changes from theme to theme. As you can see, our membership page has arrived. We can also become a new member from here. When the customer comes and becomes a new member here, the membership information will automatically fall here. You can also add your customer yourself, name and surname. Phone number, you can add all the information in detail, but I haven't seen many people doing that. What do you use this for? You use this page to organize customers. After becoming a member, the member forgot his password, etc. If he forgot his email, you can change his information when he contacts you if something happened. The import customer section, for example, you had customer potential in WordPress. You can import them in a very simple way. This is how the customers page is used. If you have any questions, do not forget to leave them in the comments section. I'm responding to the friends who wrote to me. I took notes for a few extra videos. I'll shoot them in order. See you in the next video.